Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I am from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So friends, in today's video, I am going to talk about junk food. Yes, junk food. Very interesting now. I have chosen this topic because I want to speak in English about it. Okay, so if you are a beginner and learning English, so this video is super useful for you. Okay, because I will be speaking in very easy English and I will try to make it simple for you to understand. Okay, so you can listen and improve your English. Okay, so this video is important, so please don't skip it and watch till the end. So guys, today's topic is also very interesting, right? So guys, today I will talk about junk food. As I said earlier, we all love junk food, right? I love pizza, burgers, pastries, chocolates, all of it. And I know you guys love it too, right? When I mention samosas, pizza, burgers, shawarma, your mouth must be watering, right? But guys, while it tastes good, it is also important to know how bad it is for our body, right? But guys, I'm not here to demotivate you or give a lecture. Okay, it is just that I choose junk food as a topic to practice my English. Yeah, and I have read and searched about it and I am adding that to this video. So yeah, I'm not saying don't eat it. I'm not saying don't eat junk food. I'm just explaining what it is and its effects. Okay, so guys, let's talk about this, what junk food is and more about in this video. Okay, so let's make it interesting and learn English in fun and interesting way. So guys, before I move forward in this video, let me first tell you what junk food is. Okay, so what is junk food? So guys, you guys probably already know, but since we are practicing English here, why not learn it in English too? So guys, let's uh, understand what is junk food. Okay, so guys, junk food is food that is high in calories, salt, sugar and unhealthy fats, but it is low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals and fiber. So these are foods that are often processed, packaged and designed to be convenient and tasty. Okay, so it is junk food. So guys, uh, things like pizza, burger, fries, choco chips, chocolates, sugary drinks. So they are often high in empty calories. Okay, which means they give us energy but don't provide much nutritional value. Okay, so you guys, I'm not saying don't eat junk food. No, I'm not saying that. Listen, guys, enjoying junk food once in a while is not a big deal, but if it becomes a regular part of our diet, it can lead to health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, and many more. So, guys, like I want to tell that we can't imagine going to a fair or a party without junk food, right? We can't eat the same old veggies every day like kaddu, lauki, bhindi. It's so boring, right? We need junk food to feel satisfied. You know, I am talking about myself too. I can't go without junk food. It is a must for me at least once a week. And some people even eat it every day. They can't resist it. Like Maggie, Chowmin, pizza. And nowadays it is so easy to order online and get it delivered home. And but it is not good for health, but still people eat it. So yeah, it's common. So let's talk about why junk food is bad for us. Okay. So guys, there are a few reasons. Let's talk about this. First, junk food is often high in calories, which can lead to weight gain and obesity. When we eat more calories than we burn, our body stores the extra energy as fat, and that can lead to health problems. Second, I want to tell you junk food is often high in unhealthy fats like trans fats and saturated fats, which can increase our risk of heart disease. Okay, and third, I want to tell you guys junk food is often high in sugar and salt, which can lead to problems like diabetes, high blood pressure, and kidney disease. Okay, so guys, junk food is often low in essential nutrients, as you all know. So, even if we are eating a lot of calories, we are not getting the vitamins and minerals our body needs to stay healthy. So, yeah, it is dangerous for our body. So, guys, it is not that junk food is bad in itself, but if we are eating too much of it, it can crowd out healthier options and lead to health problems down the line. Okay, so yeah, we need to eat in limited. So guys, we all love junk food and I eat it too. I'm not saying I don't eat. Yeah, I eat it. I eat too. I'm not here to lecture you to stop eating it. Okay, this was just an English practice video on this topic. I have always tried to choose topics that are not boring and help you understand English easily. So that's why I pick fun and interesting topics. Okay. So guys, today I choose junk food. Okay. So guys, I would say enjoy junk food. I'm not saying don't eat it. I eat it too. Okay. Otherwise, how we can enjoy chocolates, pizza, pastries, right? But I am saying let's use it in moderation and keep our body healthy. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. So yeah, today's topic junk food. So yeah, please guys do let me know in the comment box what's your favorite junk food. What do you love eating the most? Do comment and let me know. And yeah, I love pizza, chow mein, burgers, and there are long list guys, long list. I can't mention all of that, but yeah, let me know yours, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please keep practicing, keep speaking, choose any interesting topics you love to talk on and start explaining that topic in English. And if you have any problem, go and search on Google on the topic, read all on the topic and start speaking on the topic. And also you can take help of Meta AI and ChatGPT. Okay, so guys, let's make English easy for all of us, and let's be fluent speaker as soon as possible. And guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please learn and keep speaking, keep learning, and all the best. Bye bye.